Hello, Auriel. Hi, Animesh. Hi,
Hey,
Sumit. Hi, Rohit.
Hi
hey
guys.
guys, how
Hi
are you doing
guys.
today?
Hello.
What do you have today,
Auriel.
Anand, for us?
Yeah, see, today Animesh has a demo for us, and it's kind of, very, very different. And he's going to show something in the travel industry using an
Oh,
MCP
okay,
server. And I don't know whether
yeah,
it will surprise you or you just feel good about it. Okay, so you have to tell me
okay.
that.
I like to travel, so maybe it's gonna be a great experience to to
Yeah,
understand how it works. So,
yeah. Over to you, Animesh.
Okay. So currently, in the industry, there are many people who are struggling to use their agents. So currently, there are many platforms where they're able to create agents like Langsmith, LangChain, even using OpenAI's agent builder platform. So. So we are here to address the main pain point of not being able to monetize their agents. So we've created a platform where they can configure their MCP, their agents on our Cosmitude Bridge MCP server. So there
mhm.
are very few steps where they can just configure their agents on Cosmitude Bridge's MCP server.
So those are all
So
the agents actually already configured by you, right?
yeah, so yeah, these are a couple of agents that I've already created to uh,
Do the demo.
yeah, to the demo. So there are very few simple steps they can add the agents into our this thing. So all they have to do is enter a few details like uh, like check and the URL of this thing and method, and this is a couple of details. Once you create an agent, you'll get these details, and this
So
can be just
basically, these are like the API details, how to
yeah.
connect the API details, whether it's a post or a get method, then the body JSON if it's a post, and then the agent is created. How much time will it take normally to create an agent?
So to create an agent, it'll take less than a minute. So all they have to do is enter
And
all
the
the
deployment, what about the deployment
the
time?
deployment is done automatically in the backend. So
Okay.
yeah. So so what we are
No,
doing
no,
is
no.
we're
I'm
not
asking
creating
deployment
any.
will happen in the backend, but how much time it might take to get engaged? Basically, 1 minute,
So
two
it is
minutes.
yeah, it is engaged immediately, instantly within 10
Oh,
seconds.
super. Yeah.
So these agents are already readily available. We have a platform where they can even check if their agents are working. Let me just show that. So this is
Tell me a joke. Okay.
yeah. So I have a joke agent here. So this agent is invoked and it'll create a it'll show us the output for that agent.
So this agent, it was invoked among the 12 agents. It will select the joke agent, call the API, get the result, and show it to us. Is it?
That's right. Yeah.
I think this part Oriel would have seen, but next part is something
Yeah.
that's
So
that's
as you can see, it's showing us the output from the agent. So we can try out the agent on a different platform now, our MCP server on a different platform. So advantage of using an MCP server is we are able to use all of these agents using just a single link. So for connecting the MCP server on a different platform, we'll use this URL and these header keys and authorization. So there are a few simple steps where you can just take this and just paste it in any other platform. So this I'll just shift to 11 Labs where it's an agent voice agent platform where we can connect our MCP server into this platform. So again, here it's a very few simple steps. All they have to do
this
is
is 11.ai. That is the website, right?
yeah,
11.ai, 11.ai. Okay.
yeah.
And how did you add our agent? Yeah.
So this
Sorry. How did you add the MCP server?
in our agents, so this is the agent.
Hmm.
So in the agent screen, we have to configure it in agent, and in when we just scroll down to the bottom, there is an option called add server. So
Hmm.
here they can create the integration here with a few simple steps. Just enter the name of the MCP server, then the URL that is provided in the cosmitude.com and the headers over here, and just click on
Where do you get the headers from?
the headers is available on Cosmitude website. That is over
Oh,
here.
these are the headers, is it?
Yeah, these are the headers.
Okay, one
So,
second. Is it the same name, URL, header key, and header value? Can you show those fields there?
yeah, so just copy these, just be able to paste the URL over here in URL section.
We are not seeing that
Yeah,
screen actually.
yeah, it's,
One second,
yeah.
one second. So URL, where is the this thing? Other one, header key, header value.
So that is over here in headers, add headers. So the name of the
Okay.
header is authorization. That is, again, I'll just show that also.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is the this thing. So you can just copy the authorization here.
Mhm.
Again, similarly, paste it here.
And then value is it?
Yeah, the value again. This is the value. Copy the value.
And there are many other fields. We can just ignore them, is it, for
You can
now?
just ignore those fields. Yes, exactly.
And do we do anything else like no approval, something like that?
Yeah, you can make it based on your needs. If it's ask always, it'll ask permission every time when we're
Which is good
connecting to
according
them.
to you? No approval or ask always?
It's again, if you are
Preference.
trust the server completely, you can just go with no approval so that every time there's a request made, it does not require it to.
Okay, it keeps asking now, well, shall I do
Yeah,
it? Shall I do it? That it
yeah,
will stop. Okay. So according to the user requirement, he can configure and he can go and update this also later, right?
that's right. Yeah,
Okay, one second. Once you say I trust server there at the bottom and add server, this gets added.
yeah.
But tell me one thing, when after it gets added, how much time, cancel this, how much time does it take to come to this stage where it has added and a green dot comes?
So it does it instantly. So there's no required wait time.
Not even 5-10 seconds?
Yeah, it's instant.
Okay. Now, if he has to connect to my agent, does he have to select some work page or it is like, it's on 11 AI, when he goes and logs in, he's already there with my agent only. How does
Yeah.
it?
No, in the sense he's able to access his agents on his platform only, not.
So let us say you are the person who on 11 AI who has configured MCP servers. So
Yeah.
to access that Animesh agent, how do you go? How do you reach that?
So you need to log into your account and go into the agent, and you'll be able to access all of those
No,
agents.
no. Just show us like here,
Yeah.
if it is.
So this is the agent platform.
So you see, this is the 11.ai agent. If I open 11AI, this comes up. But how
Yeah.
is it connected to my agent? How will I know?
So you can we'll just start off the agent. We can just ask it questions if it is connected
Okay.
and to show us to list the agents.
Okay. Yeah.
So yeah. So let me just start. So hi.
From here,
Hi
he
there.
won't.
How can I help you today?
Yeah. Can you list out my agents?
Okay, here are the agents that I found. Joke, Furniture Catalog Agent, Flight Quote, Hotel Quote, Carbon Estimate, FX Convert, Geodistance, Weather Mock, Visa Check, Itinerary Score, GST Calculator, Fare Split, and Lodging Compare. Is there
Okay.
anything else I
Thank
can
you.
help you with?
Yeah.
You're welcome. Do you have any?
So I'm planning a trip from Bengaluru to Delhi. So please get me the flight code. I'm going to leave on 1st of November. I'm going to return on 5th of November, 2025.
Okay, I can help you with that. Just to confirm, you need a flight quote from Bengaluru to Delhi, departing on the 1st of November and returning on the 5th of November in 2025. Is that correct?
That's right.
Okay, I have the flight quote for you. The base fare is 3,502, and the total
Wow.
price is 3,502, with taxes of 420. The fare rules include that it is refundable and has baggage allowance of 20 kilograms. This was generated on October 31st, 2025. Does that sound right?
Yeah, that sounds right. Great. Can you just let me know how's the weather going to be?
Could you please specify which location's weather you'd like to
Uh,
know?
in Delhi.
Okay, the weather in Delhi is expected to be cloudy with a temperature of 28.8 degrees Celsius. The advice is to carry light clothes. This information was generated on October 31st, 2025.
Oh, that's great. Can you just let me know the hotel estimates for that, for a 4-star hotel for the same dates as the flights?
Okay, I have some hotel estimates for you. Demo Inn 22, a 4-star hotel, has a nightly rate of 4,261, with a total of 8,522 and taxes of 852. I also have some lodging comparisons. Staywell 57, a 2-star hotel, has a nightly rate of 3,114, with a total of 6,228.
Okay.
Comfort Hub 29.
Thank you. Actually, on the last day, I'm going to visit a furniture store. Can you pull up the furniture catalog for that?
I can help with that. Could you please provide more details? What kind of furniture are you looking for? And what
All,
information would
just
you
check
like to
the
be included in
catalog.
the catalog? Okay, I have the furniture catalog. It includes items like the Fjallraven Fold Sack #1 backpack for
Okay,
109.95,
thank you.
various men's and women's. You're welcome.
Okay, Oriel,
Anything else
from
I
here
can help
I'll
you with
take over.
today?
No, that's it.
So
That
here,
was
I just
impressive.
want to tell you one thing, Oriel. So what he showed was individually asked for things. Now imagine if Animesh says, "Hey, just get me a flight ticket, book me a flight ticket for November 1st to 5th from Bangalore to New Delhi. Book the
Yeah.
hotels. Once you give me the estimate, I will authorize, and also ensure that whatever weather is, just update me about that morning." If he says this much, and imagine an agent of agents, like right now, Anime showed individually 3-4 calls, but he can even do this. Like he can even put it in a box like this, and we can get information from whatever he speaks from the natural language, and we can get a result completely. Like it will book the flight tickets, hotels, take an estimate, pay. One agent will be there who would do the payment also, and it will email you the tickets, everything, and also the weather report on that day. So all this can be done in one call, in or as a call, or even through phone app or something like that. So this kind of a thing we can do with this. Okay, and Infinity, you have already thought about some use cases using the same this thing in the interior design industry or in Metabricks in your company. So that way, we try to showcase kind of a thing for the travel industry. There are many big travel agents, right? Like Make My Trip in India, and I'm sure you have something in US and Argentina, everywhere. So all those
Yeah.
guys, they can use Vivo IP. They don't even need smartphones. If they just call up this thing and authorize, it will be possible for them to book tickets if we go in this methodology.
No, this is totally game changer. I mean, as I said before, Anand and team, I was envisioning that this voice agent embedded in the web pages, from some different businesses. So imagine anybody can talk with a voice agent, and you can provide real value to them. Like imagine if you have let's say an agency for traveling, and this could be the voice agent for customer support, and you will go there and you will say like, "Hey, I have to travel somewhere," and at the end of the day, the business owner will receive a report with all the tickets that they bought, they sell.
Correct. Now, even like this, Oriel, they need not even have a smartphone or an app. All they have to do is call a number, book,
Yeah,
and give the details, and that's it. We always had, right? They can even
yeah,
pin in the credit card details. Or even better, there will be a small kiosk in a cafe or anywhere, okay, where you can just go touch, give talk to the kiosk, saying that I want to book a ticket, and show your credit card, and it's done. All these things are scenarios which we can keep thinking of. So this is like what Steve Jobs told, the finger will be
yeah.
the best input device. Now it's voice.
Totally. Yeah, congrats, guys. I think we are doing a lot of progress with this. So I'm totally excited about the opportunity that we have with this type of technology together.
Wonderful, wonderful. And we are also looking for that cafe soul thing that you were talking about. That also looks huge, and it's I'm sure it's happening.
Yeah. Let's keep doing. And try to tackle a lot of different use cases to try to understand more about how we can connect different type of businesses together. I'm envisioning like AI to AI business connection, with Metabricks. So imagine if we can connect to different type of businesses, providing value for the customer.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think we're
Maybe
reaching
some, maybe some in this use case for traveling. I'm envisioning like, how about if you need a rent a car, also.
Yes.
Maybe that agency that doesn't have that services, but
Yes.
maybe because in Cosmitude you will have like, let's say 5 different car rentals
Correct. And also,
businesses.
Oriel, see, you can just keep continuing. When we were discussing this, we were thinking, okay, I land in the flight, I go to the hotel in the rental car. It knows
Yeah.
when my flight landed, when I took the car, so it can also book me a meal as soon as I reach the hotel. Okay,
Yeah.
all these are scenarios. There'll be a personal assistant for everybody. Okay, it will become so good. And one more thing I just wanted to tell you was all this orchestration tool and other things what we are giving out. It is so cheap. It is so consumable that this is what will make that AI system become very productive, and people can monetize using the AI system.
Yeah, this is opening the door for, real voice agent assistant for each person in the world. Like you can have your own personal assistant doing real tasks and adding real value for you.
And one more thing is now what we have to enter so many things. We have to waste so much of time. Anyway, we don't have control over the prices. They always show us the best price. So it is better AI does it for us, right? Instead of we sitting and doing whole day.
Yeah, totally agree. Okay, guys, this is great. So congrats for the demo, and let's keep doing.
Yes. So we'll meet next time to see something more on Cafe Soul.
Excellent.
And Metabricks.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank you, Oriel. Thank you, Sumit. Thank you, Rohit and Animesh. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Rohit.